Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Forex on Thinkorswim. First, ensure you have a funded Thinkorswim account and that Forex trading is enabled. You can usually do this through your account settings or by contacting support. Once ready, log into the Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Trade tab to begin. Once in the Trade tab, select the Forex Trader interface. Here, you can choose your desired currency pair, such as EUR versus USD. Next, decide on your order type: a market order for immediate execution, a limit order to specify a price, or a stop order to trigger at a certain level. After selecting your currency pair and order type, enter the quantity of currency you wish to trade. Carefully review all the order details, including the price and quantity, before confirming. Once confirmed, your trade will be placed. You can then monitor your open positions and their performance in the Monitor tab. Effective risk management is crucial in Forex trading. Utilize stop-loss orders to automatically close a position if the market moves against you by a predetermined amount, protecting your capital. Conversely, consider take-profit orders to secure gains when a target price is reached. You can also manually close positions at any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.